Hi, my name is Sunny, and I'm the founder of Cosmic Expansion with Sunny. I help people feel peace and happiness on their spiritual journey. Like this video and subscribe if you are on a spiritual journey. This video is going to be all about the last quarter moon in Leo happening on November 16th. This last quarter moon in Leo may be a breath of fresh air here at the end of Scorpio season. Leo energy brings about bravery and compassion, both qualities that could feel welcome as you wrap up any shadow work you want to do this season. While you can do shadow work any time of the year, it is particularly supported a couple days before and a couple days after this quarter moon. Ask yourself at this time, where am I feeling stuck and what area of life feels like it needs to be transformed? I am offering a shadow work guide on my website and we'll link it in the description of this video for you to check out.